Hey guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy, healthy yogurt salad. All you're going to need for this is some yogurt, grated cucumber, and carrot. You're going to need some parsley and green onions. Also, you're going to need some salt. So let's get started. So everyone, the first step is to mix in your yogurt with a pinch of salt. Now let's whisk it all together. I think that should be good. So now let's add in our vegetables. Now it's time to mix again. Now it's time to plate. Pretty good. Now it's time to garnish. Ta-da! This is a really easy, healthy, and delicious school snack or dinner salad or one salad. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow me on Instagram at Sarah